Have you ever wondered, what if ancient wisdom could change the way you see your life today? In a world full of stress, anxiety, and confusion, the teachings of Buddha provide timeless lessons that can guide us toward peace, purpose, and happiness. In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful Buddhist teachings that have the potential to transform your life. These lessons are as relevant today as they were 2,500 years ago, and they offer practical tools for anyone seeking to find balance and clarity in modern life. The first teaching is mindfulness, known as satai in Buddhism. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. In our busy lives, it's easy to get lost in worries about the future or regrets about the past. But mindfulness brings us back to the present, where life truly happens. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress and enhance your focus. When you are mindful, you respond to situations with clarity instead of reacting out of habit. Imagine starting your day by simply focusing on your breath for a few minutes. You'll notice how much calmer and more focused you feel throughout the day. Buddha taught that mindfulness is the key to understanding the nature of suffering and the first step toward liberation from it. The second teaching is impermanence, or anicca. Everything in life is in constant flux, our thoughts, emotions, and even our circumstances. One of Buddha's core teachings is that suffering arises when we resist change or hold on to things that are inherently impermanent. There's a well-known story in Buddhism about a woman who came to Buddha grieving over the loss of her son. Buddha asked her to find a household that had never experienced loss. After searching through many homes, she realized that suffering and change are part of the human condition. It was this realization that allowed her to let go and find peace. By accepting the truth of impermanence, we can let go of attachments and expectations that cause us pain. This helps us embrace change and live with more ease, knowing that nothing is permanent, not even our challenges or sorrows. The third teaching is compassion, or karuna, and it's one of the cornerstones of Buddhist philosophy. Compassion means showing kindness to others and wishing for their happiness, but it also extends to self-compassion, learning to be kind and gentle with ourselves. There's a beautiful Buddhist story where Buddha once saved an injured animal, showing that compassion is not just a teaching, but a way of life. Practicing compassion toward others leads to deeper connections and a more fulfilling life. When we see others as part of our shared humanity, we naturally become more empathetic, patient, and loving. Compassion helps us to forgive ourselves and others, releasing resentment and anger that often weigh us down. The more we practice kindness, the more it becomes a source of inner strength, helping us navigate difficult situations with grace and wisdom. The fourth teaching is non-attachment to material things. In Buddhism, attachment is seen as a primary cause of suffering. When we cling to material possessions or even certain outcomes, we set ourselves up for disappointment because nothing is permanent. Buddha taught that letting go of material desires can free up energy for spiritual growth and true happiness. It's not about rejecting all material things, but rather about not letting them define your sense of self-worth or happiness. For example, think about how attached we can become to our phones or social media. We seek validation through likes and comments, and when we don't get it, we feel upset or inadequate. Non-attachment allows us to enjoy life's pleasures without becoming dependent on them for happiness. By releasing the need for constant external validation, we open ourselves to a deeper sense of joy and peace. The fifth and final teaching is the power of silence. In Buddhism, silence is not just the absence of speech. It's a practice of mindful listening and being fully present in the moment. Buddha taught that silence can help us develop inner strength and wisdom. There are certain situations where remaining silent can be more powerful than speaking. For example, when someone is angry or upset, responding with silence allows space for the situation to de-escalate. Silence also teaches us patience and humility, especially when faced with criticism or negativity. Buddha encouraged his followers to be mindful of their words and to practice silence in situations where speaking may cause harm. By embracing silence in moments of conflict or emotional turmoil, we cultivate inner peace and earn the respect of others. Silence, when used wisely, becomes a tool for self-mastery. These 5 powerful Buddhist teachings, mindfulness, impermanence, compassion, non-attachment, and silence, offer practical tools for transforming your life. By incorporating these lessons into your daily practice, you can find peace in the present moment, let go of what no longer serves you, and cultivate deeper connections with yourself and others. If you're ready to take these teachings and apply them to your life, start small. Begin by practicing mindfulness for a few minutes each day, or observe how impermanence plays a role in your emotions. Let go of attachments and embrace compassion in your interactions with others. Thank you for watching. If these teachings resonate with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Zenful Journey for more insights on how to live a mindful, peaceful life. Together, we can continue to walk the path of wisdom and inner transformation.